Welcome to the Family Media Plan, where you can easily create a personalized plan that works within your family's values and busy lifestyles. The tool is available in English and Spanish. Want to use the tool like an app on your desktop? Simply click on the icon in your browser and select Install. This will allow instant access to your plan anytime, anywhere, and from any PC with an internet connection. On your mobile phone, if you have an Android, simply use Chrome to navigate to the Family Media Plan. Once there, scroll down and select Add Family Media Plan to home screen. You can also tap the three-dot overflow menu in the top right corner and select Install App. Chrome will add the application shortcut to your home screen. For iOS users, navigate to the Family Media Plan in Safari, then tap the Share button, tap Add to Home Screen, and then tap Add. The Family Media Plan will show up on your home screen like a native iOS app. Here's how it works. To get started, create a profile for each member of your family, adults too. Include their names and ages. You can even add fun avatars for each family member. Add as many family members as you need. Click or tap on the Continue arrow to move through the tool. Next, you will find a list of media priorities to choose from. They are all selected by default, but you can unselect them if you prefer to choose only those priorities that are most important to your family. Click or tap Continue. The tool will now move you through each priority you selected and offer ideas and tips to help you make the plan work for your family. The progress bar above shows the priorities you selected. Click on any of those to move forward or back through the tool. You can even go back and add priorities if you skipped any. On each priority page, you'll see a list of ways to implement these priorities. Simply click or tap on the Reasons Tips button on each suggestion to learn why it's important, along with how to make it work and other helpful tips. Tap or click on which child you want to apply the suggestions to. You can easily select them all at once or clear and choose one at a time. Once you've gone through each priority, you're ready to review your family media plan. Each family member has a tab with the tips you selected. You can choose to print your plan, or if you are logged in, you can easily share your plan by email or text. If you have not registered on healthychildren.org, don't worry, it's quick and free. At any point you decide to make changes to your plan, simply go back in, make your desired changes, and review. In fact, it's a good idea to update your plan for things like school breaks, or as your children get older. Another great idea? Print your plan and hang it on the fridge or somewhere in your home to remind you and your family about your plans. Get started today and put the Family Media Plan to use in your family.